Hi guys, it's Inga and I'd like to introduce this little guy to you. This is my water fountain and it's all metal. The bottom seems more like cast iron. Yeah, the bottom seems to be more like cast iron. The top itself looks like copper, but it's pretty heavy. Yeah, it's pretty heavy. And the mesh is just regular mesh that needs some cleaning. I was told that this water fountain is an outdoor water fountain, but it sounds so good indoors. So that's the reason why it's indoor. It's a bit stained by the water here, but that can get clean too. Anyways, that's all I have to show you. I just want to give you a better look. It has a long cord there going on the floor, and that is my green water fountain. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day.